Hey there, and welcome to the new episode of Hokolite Unboxed. I'm Lily, and today I've got something really exciting to show you. It's a rechargeable Hokolite. It's powerful and it just looks awesome. At the side of the box, all instructions are there for you to look up. I'll let you see the light, not the box. Go ahead and join me. Okay? Instructions: 4 rechargeable batteries, 2 charging cables, and 2 Hokolites. So, I'll show you these wonderful Hokolites. That's right, it's 1500 lumens. It's brighter than most of the other Hokolites. It's rechargeable, also portable, and waterproof. It comes with IP56 waterproof rating, meaning it can be protected against splashing water from all angles. Let's put the 2 rechargeable batteries into the battery compartment. This light powered by double 18650 rechargeable batteries or 4 AA batteries. Okay, now press this on-off button. You will find 3 lighting modes of this light. Press 1, it's high mode. Press 2, low mode. Press 3, LED strobe mode. These 3 lighting modes meet your different needs. It can also output super bright illumination up to 30 watts. Open this red cap. You can see a micro USB port and a USB output port. As I said before, this light set comes with charging cables. Just put the cable into the USB plug. You can see red indicators strobe when charging. It kept on after fully charged. Next, let me show you how to use this rechargeable Hokolite for power bank use. Designed with USB input and output port, it can also serve as a power bank for smartphone and other devices in emergency. Lastly, you can see the handle of this light is adjustable. Adjust and stop at any position by 180-degree rotation handle. In conclusion, this is a wide range of use light. It can be used in auto repair, camping, fishing, and so on. Now, with all the features and function I've introduced, it's pretty clear that it's a must-buy and it's gonna be a gift for anyone who values high-quality, multifunctional Hokolite. I'm Lily. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you next time.